for the wonderful sponsorship and partnering with a food brand like yours was this little toddler. Then together. So that was Sonakshi. And then I remember the year, I think it was Dil To Pagal Hai, when Sonakshi and her father went up on stage and gave the award for Best Actor to Shah Rukh. And so that really is one of my most startling and vivid memories of Sonakshi. Then, of course, Sonakshi went on to join the movies, and as they say, the rest is her story. So thank you, Sonakshi, for being here, and it's just so huge. It's a huge honor.
My pleasure, Jitesh. Thank you so much. Hi, guys. Happy New Year, everybody. And thank you so much for being here. Yeah, I mean, I think my first experience of being on stage was with Filmfare, when I had gone with my dad, held his hand and waddled up on stage to present an award to, was it Shah Rukh or was it Karan? I think it was Karan for Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. I remember that also. Yeah, so that was my first experience of being on stage, and a few years later, little did I know that I would be going up on the Filmfare stage and winning my debut award for Dabangg. So we have a very, very long association. Filmfare has always been very supportive towards me, and you know, we've shared a great journey so far. It's been 5 years now. I don't know where time has flown. It really does not feel like that. All of you have been with me on this entire journey, so I'd like to thank you all as well. But yeah, it's been fantastic, and I'm really happy to be here today with Filmfare and Britannia.
Thank you, Sonakshi. Thank you, Mr. Pillai. May I kindly request Mr. Vinay Subramaniam to say a few words too?
Good afternoon, and a very happy New Year to all of you as well. I think Britannia takes great pride in being associated with Filmfare and with films, and with Britannia Filmfare Awards 2015. We think it's a fantastic coming together of two things that Indians are truly passionate about: food and entertainment. And I really think that it's a great association for us. We have kicked off something called Britannia Khao Filmfare Jao, which gives our consumers who are across the country a chance to experience for the first time ever what it feels like to be at the Filmfare Awards. And we are getting really good responses for that. We think this association is doing wonders for us. We really want to see Filmfare Awards 2015 being a really spectacular show as usual. Yeah.
Thank you. Members of the media, the floor is now open for question and answers. We have mics in the audience, so may I kindly request you to raise your hands so we can give you the mics.
Also, I just need to add, this has really been a very spectacular year for the movies. So you've really seen the biggest of biggest blockbusters, and you've seen middle of the road, off-kilter cinema. You know, there's a Bajrangi Bhaijaan, there's a Baji Rao, there is a Dam Laga Ke Haisha, there is a Badlapur, there is a Masan. It's been a fantastic year. I mean, as a movie goer, it's been a huge, I mean, there's, you pick up the movies, it's NH10, you pick up, it was really the marriage of commerce and art, style and sensibility. It was a huge year at the movies. And I just hope films of substance keep coming out, you know, never mind the banner, never mind the crores put in, but everybody is sort of looking forward to cinema of sense and substance, and I think that's huge this year. It's been a very, very significant year as far as the movies go.
Members of the media, questions?
Hi, Sonakshi. Happy New Year to you.
Hi, Happy New Year.
And Happy New Year to you, Jitesh, as well, and Mr. Subramaniam as well.
Happy New Year.
Okay, Sonakshi, how important is an award for you? And secondly, you know, other than your films that you've done, any such films that you have in mind and you're kind of like vouching for them this year?
I think for any actor, any kind of appreciation is fantastic, be it from the audience, be it as in the form of getting an award, be it from friends, family, from fans, from anyone. So I think any kind of appreciation is always welcome. Yeah, and that's, I guess, that is what we work towards, I guess, that we make an impression on people and they remember us for the films that we've done, for the work that we do, for the people that we are. So awards, appreciation, they all kind of go hand in hand, and it's a form of appreciation, I guess. But sorry, what was the second part of your question?
Second is, you know, other than 2015 that you're kind of vouching for them this year? And
I'm
you
vouching. I really think we had, like Jitesh said, we had some wonderful performances in the last year, and films that went one step ahead and gave people something different to watch on screen were the ones that were the clear winners. I feel Varun did a fantastic job in Badlapur. The entire team of Badlapur, Nawazuddin, Huma, Varun, Divya Datta, Yami, everyone was fantastic. Other than that, Ranveer in Bajirao, I mean, he was, I think, something else. I have no words for it. I think he's going to sweep all the awards this year, without a doubt. And so I mean, we had some great films, and I'm looking forward to what the film industry has to offer next year. And I'm excited for my next two films, which are Akira and Force, which are also very different from what I've been doing so far. So yeah, a lot of exciting stuff coming up. Yeah.
Of course, we're waiting for Akira and Force too. Thank you so much.
Anyone else? इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई?
Hi Sonakshi.
It's really unusual. Nobody asks questions.
Hi Sonakshi. क्या आपको नहीं लगता कि over the years बहुत सारे अवार्ड फंक्शन होने लगे हैं और अवार्ड फंक्शन ज़्यादातर टीवी इवेंट बन के रह गए हैं, उनकी क्रेडिबिलिटी को लेकर बहुत सारे सवाल उठने लगे हैं, कई एक्टर्स भी कहने लगे हैं अब तो कि नहीं हमें अवार्ड फंक्शन में नहीं जाना. इस बारे में आप क्या सोचती हैं? और दूसरा सवाल कि हमने सुना है कि आपके पापा पे एक बायोपिक बन रही है, तो उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
बायोपिक नहीं बन रही, वो एक अपनी बायोग्राफी लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, बुक लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, जिनकी उनकी पूरी लाइफ की स्टोरी है. सो वेरी एक्साइटेड. वो 6 जनवरी को रिलीज होगी. आपके पहले सवाल का आंसर मैं अपने लिए बात कर सकती हूँ. मी पर्सनली आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. मुझे बहुत सारे शोज मिल गए परफॉर्म करने के लिए, तो द मोर द मेरियर फॉर मी.
What about the credibility factor and TV event like?
I think to each his own. I mean, it's a very dicey question. I don't want to. I'm sitting at the Filmfare dais and I don't want to say anything wrong, so I think I'll just skip it.
जितेश, हेलो, हाय.
Yeah.
मेरा सवाल आपसे है. इस 61st फिल्मफेयर होने वाला है, तो क्या हाइलाइट्स होंगी, कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे आप इस अवार्ड की?
Well, if I tell you right away, I'll be giving out all our secrets. So I'll wait for you to sort of, आपकी उत्सुकता और थोड़ा, you give me few more days, and then I'll be in a position to tweet and talk about it. Even our nomination process is still on. Actually, we just start tabulating from tomorrow, so it's too early for me. I'm hoping this year we'll have some really special performances and all of that. And as for the credibility factor, I would really believe that Filmfare is like an ISI mark when it comes to performances, and we have not necessarily looked at box office numbers, but honored films. I mean, we've awarded excellence year after year. Like I said, if there are more award functions, more the merrier. But somewhere you stand out only when there are other also functions, and this is not some sort of race or competition. I mean, we try to do our jobs, they try to do their jobs. So it's just that.
Hi Sonakshi.
Hi.
Yeah. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to Filmfare and Britannia as well. Okay. So Sonakshi, my question to you is, they have named you as you're like a balance between art and mart. So what is your take? Yeah, art and mart. Wow. So yeah, what is your take on it?
I think that's a good balance to strike. I think that is something that unknowingly I've achieved, and if people accept me and appreciate me in both kinds of cinema and both kinds of film, I think that's a very, very good sign for me as an actor. So I'll continue to work hard and try and please both the art and the mart section, as you said.
You are also into music now. So yeah, Aaj Mood Ishqalik Hai was amazing.
Thank
so
you.
do we see any other music videos coming up in 2016?
I want to, yeah. I didn't want this to be a one-off thing. It's something that I'm really passionate about. It's something that I really love to do. So I don't want it to be, the response has been fantastic for my first song. So that kind of gives me the confidence to go ahead and do more in that space. So definitely, I would love to do more songs, sing more songs, make the kind of music videos that I want to feature in, and stuff that I don't regularly get to do, you know. So even if you see the video, it's not something that I've done in any of my movies. So it's basically a passion project for me, something that I will do because I love to do it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Hi Sonakshi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
आपको बेस्ट डेब्यू का अवार्ड मिल चुका है फिल्म फेयर की तरफ से, लेकिन बेस्ट एक्टर का अब तक आपको नहीं मिला है, तो कितनी कड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी आपको इस अवार्ड के लिए?
बहुत ज़्यादा कड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. And I think एक चांस मिला था बट वो छूट गया. No worries, but आगे जाकर अभी बहुत समय बाकी है, बहुत काम करना है, अच्छा काम करना है, मेहनत से काम करना है. And जब इन्हें लगेगा कि I'm worthy enough, I'm sure that they'll give it to me. Yeah? I'm not going anywhere.
Jitesh, my question to you, 61st award, and you already now mentioned it's an ISI mark for Filmfare. So what made you people to sell the tickets online? The first time this is coming on the ticket sale.
Yeah, it's a huge venue, and there was a lot of clamor for tickets, and also we thought we'll try this as an experiment and see whether it works, because a lot of the public don't get to see the show, and they get to. So a lot of them had requested us make it a live show and all of that. So we've said, okay, let's try this as an experiment, and the response has been phenomenal.
The amount of the tickets are very huge, not for the common people.
Sir, that's an offline conversation. I can't have it with you now.
I think it's a great idea. Again, more the merrier.
Also, you should ask Sonakshi, she's kicking some serious butt in Akira, and should ask her about, can I ask you that?
Of course, I love being interviewed by you, Jitesh. Please.
So how does it, was it physically, I mean, I can imagine for an actor it being emotionally grueling, but when it's physically also grueling, I mean, how does it take a toll on you?
I think this as a role was physically and emotionally very grueling. Some of the sequences that we've shot and some of the places that we've shot in, really, I never imagined myself in situations like that before. So it was really, really challenging. Probably my most challenging role so far. Physically, yeah, I had to train in mixed martial arts. I had to really up my game. And luckily, I've been into sports when I was a child as well. So it didn't take that long to...
That's where the energy comes from.
Yeah, that's where the energy and the strength and everything comes from. And I really enjoy it. So it didn't take that long. I had to train for about a month and a half, and I was ready for the film. So, it's been a great experience. I mean, so fulfilling. I think for me, when something really pushes you, to the edge and challenges you, that is when I get really excited. And Akira has done that to me in so many ways. It's been a fantastic experience.
The director is absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely. He's a genius. He's something, I don't know, I can't understand how his brain should be, kept in a museum sometime, later, many, many years to be studied, because he's such a silent man, but he's always thinking, the wheels are always turning in his head, Murugadoss sir. And, I've realized, this is my second film with him, I've done Holiday as well. I've realized you cannot question him. You have to just blindly trust him, and that whatever he's doing, he's thought over it 300 times. He's that thorough with what he thinks and what he does and how he executes it. So, fantastic experience. Yeah.
सोनाक्षी, इसमें आप एक डायरेक्टर के साथ नहीं, दो डायरेक्टर के साथ काम करें. अनुराग कश्यप, आई थिंक मेन विलन है. उनके साथ काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस कैसे रहा?
बहुत ही अच्छा. मैं तो उन्हें कन्विंस कर रही थी कि आप एक्टर ही बन जाओ. And he's fit the role, he's fit the character so well. You'll really connect with him in that way, because आप देखोगे तो you'll actually be scared of him when you see him on screen. He's played the character really, really well, and he's a great actor, I think. Yeah.
Being a director, उन्होंने कुछ inputs दिए आपको?
No, he's not actually. वो बहुत ये मतलब उनके दिमाग में था मैं एज एन एक्टर की कैपेसिटी में सेट पर आ रहा हूँ तो मैं अपनी ज़्यादा टिप्पणियाँ नहीं दूंगा and he was fantastic to work with. Yeah, he's not interfering at all because being a director. So it was great working with him.
My question, Mr. Subramaniam, you've been a title sponsor for this event. Anything apart from this, anything for the consumer you are doing something apart from that for this award connected with this?
So I just mentioned that we are doing this contest called Britannia Khao Filmfare Jao. It's a contest where consumers across the country get a chance to participate, and if they win, they are brought in style to experience the Filmfare Awards night performance itself. So that's what we are doing.
Thank you.
Members of the media, one last question, if there is any.
We have time for one last question.
Hi Sonakshi and everyone. It's about Filmfare, of course. Sonakshi, जैसे जानते हैं हम लोग कि सबसे प्राचीन अवार्ड कह सकते हैं हम फिल्म फेयर को, सबसे पहला जिसे, और बहुत सारे एक्टर्स इंस्पायर हुए हैं फिल्म फेयर को देख के कि इस मंच पे जाने का चांस मिले और ये अवार्ड मिले. आपका वो कौन सा एक पल था कि आपको लगा कि परफॉर्मेंस देखते वक्त कि काश मुझे भी एक बार चांस मिल जाए स्टेज पे जाके परफॉर्मेंस देने का? कौन सा वो एक परफॉर्मेंस था, अगर आप नॉस्टैल्जिक होके हमें आंसर दें?
ये मेरे लिए एक बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट सवाल है क्योंकि ग्रोइंग अप I never wanted to be an actor. तो ना तो मैं फिल्मों पे बड़ी हुई हूँ ना तो मैं शोज देखकर बड़ी हुई हूँ, तो I can't really think of that one live performance. But there were two instances. मैं स्कूल में थी या कॉलेज में थी और मैंने स्कूल में चक दे रिलीज हुई थी और एक हॉकी प्लेयर, वो एक लड़की थी जो सबसे जो पंजाबन थी, हट्टी कट्टी सी, उसे देखकर मुझे लगा क्या ये रोल में मजा आएगा यार, ये रोल प्ले करने में. तो मुझे दैट इज द फर्स्ट इंस्टेंस आई रिमेम्बर दैट आई एवर इमेजिन्ड माई सेल्फ, शायद मैं स्क्रीन पर हो पाऊँ तो शायद ये रोल कर पाऊंगी. अदर देन दैट आजा नचले मूवी थी माधुरी जी की. आई वॉच्ड हर डांसिंग इन दैट फिल्म एंड आई वाज लाइक floored. I was like, अगर नाचूंगी तो ऐसे ही नाचूंगी वरना नहीं नाचूंगी. And that I think was a really inspiring moment for me, to kind of dance, to do well, all of that.
So आप ऐसी दबंग performances देते रहे. All the best.
Thank you very much. कोशिश जारी है.
Well, on this very special occasion, we have special curated hampers from Britannia as a token of appreciation to Sonakshi and Mr. Jitesh Pillai. So can we have the hampers, please? And Mr. Subramaniam, may I kindly request you to hand it over to them?